Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats order cancelled automatically. First, open your app and click on the account option in the bottom right corner. Then go to wallet and ensure that your card is active and has sufficient balance. Then try switching to another payment method if needed. Next, make sure the delivery address is correct and in supported area. Then place the order again after verifying the payment address. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store and install the latest version of Uber Eats. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the order still cancels automatically, contact Uber Eats support through the help section, and that's how to fix the Uber Eats order cancel automatically. Subscribe for more.